Hi kiddos, so you are going to be taking the Parcc test and the MCAS test. On that test, you will have different types of questions. The first type of question you will have is the multiple choice question. So as you can see, you will have your directions. You will have the story that you need to read. And lastly, you will have your questions. So one of the first things you can do is if you click this button right here, it allows you to have a notepad. So you can write any notes you have in this section and it will save them for you. To get back to the previous screen, you can just click the arrow and you are all set. To highlight the text, you will see that the text comes in one color. To highlight something, you just click on it and it highlights the important sentence. If you want to highlight specific words, you tap on the word and hold down, and it will give you the option of what color you would like to highlight that word. So as you can see, I highlighted Mexico and I picked to make it yellow. Also, there are other tools that you can use. And there are 4 specific ones when you click this button to the side. This is the first one. That will allow you to change the background color and the text color of your story. These are all the options you have. So you can make it easier to read. And it will look like that. You also have the option called Magnifying Glass. So if you click it on, it will look like this, and you can put it over the text so it's easier to read. To take it off, you just click it again, and it will shut off. The next option is the line reader. It's a green box that looks like this, so you can move it so that you only focus on certain parts to read. So if you only want to read the story, you could cover Part A. If you only wanted to read one sentence, you can move it around. Again, if you do not want to use it, you can just click it off and you're done. The last option you have here is answer masking. So if you click it on, it will hide all the answers. That way, you can just focus on the question. If you want to see certain answers, you just click the eye and it will show that. This is good if you want to eliminate answers that you know are wrong and just look at the correct answers. Just so you know, there are different parts on the test. One of them will give you many options. You have to pick what theme they fall under and drag them in the correct order. So you click on it, hold it, and drag it to where you want to drop these, and you put them in the correct order. The next one is a matching section. So it will ask you a big theme, and to give details, you would take the themes from up here, drag them down, and then you would pick the 2 details that go along with the theme. So you have to make sure that when you are reading, theme goes with theme, details goes with details. Lastly, you have an essay. So anyone who has been doing My Access in their classrooms and writing essays will see that you have directions, you have something to read, and then you have your question. This is where you will write your answer. You can use bold, italic, underline, bullet points, just like My Access. So if you need any help, you can ask your teachers. And I will be around if you need me to explain it as well. Jose is laughing at me, so I am going to stop this video, Good luck on the Parcc and MCAS tests.